So, y'all see this smile? I am geeked.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toes. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul.
And as you can tell from my thumbnail, we're going to be doing a first impressions video, because if you watch my last skincare video I did a while ago, I'll be sure to link it. I'm gonna learn to link it. I know how to link it. I'm not gonna forget to link it, but you can link it if you want to check it out. It is outdated. Well, no, it's not. It's what I'm currently doing. What I'm going to be trying out is the Fenty Beauty. Hold on, guys. So, y'all see this smile? I am geeked. Okay. So, I have been going back and forth about using this Fenty Beauty line. I checked it out when Rihanna first dropped it, and I was very intrigued the moment she dropped it. I was really curious. I was going to order it then. They had the facial sample set that was like $40, so it was extremely affordable for the small version just to test it out. But I didn't. I don't really know why I didn't, actually. Probably because the skincare routine that I was using was just working really, really good for me. So I was just like, you know what? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And I have been seeing great results with my skin. Now, I have makeup on, obviously, but I don't put makeup on my forehead or anything. It's under eyebrows, and down here is where I apply makeup. If you're interested, if you want to know, this section is where the makeup goes. I get blush. Nothing comes under here. I don't put anything under here, and the same side. So that is my section of makeup, okay? So now that I pointed it out, you're probably like, yeah, your forehead looking super different. I don't care. Anywho, but so I've been seeing really good results with my skin, and we're going to remove my makeup and everything as we try out this line. I'm actually glad I waited, because she's added 2 new products to her line, at least. And I think they are, well, we'll show all of them. So the first, I have the Fat Water. I have the Total Cleanser. And I also have, I believe this is the moisturizer. It says Hydrovisor. Invisible moisturizer, and it also has SPF in it for skin, because I do believe that us as melanin people still need to protect our skin. So this was what I believe I saw her release initially, was these 3 pieces, and I was interested in it, especially the Fat Water. But like I said, I didn't know if I needed it, and then the pricing of it, even though the $40 sample, there was a really good price, I knew that if I fell in love with it, that wouldn't be my price every time, and I would have to pay for it. And then the 2 other things that she has released is the Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream and the Flash Nap. So then she had a little sale with it, where you can buy it as a set, and it was like 25% off. So for all 5 products, I spent about $100, a little over $100. So if you don't know the pricing for her products, but it was $100 for 5, which I don't think is bad if you guys know skincare, because my skincare regimen, even though it was drugstore based, was still getting a little expensive. So with that being out the way, let me introduce myself before we get all up into here. Hi, I'm CimplyCeCe. If you're new here, I'm so sorry. I act like you already knew who I was and that you've been here before. My bad. And if you are arriving or returning, I should say, I'm so sorry for not greeting you properly. Would nobody just, I just opened the door and walked away, right? I didn't even say, hey, how y'all doing? Come on in. And if I did, I don't remember. But anyway, here on my channel, I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty, and I'm also documenting my sister life journey. So if you're interested in any of those things, be sure to subscribe to your girl's channel. We are on the road to 500, and I cannot get there without you. Did I say I cannot get there without you? Okay, just in case you didn't know, I cannot get there without you. Okay, so thank you guys so much for joining me here on my channel. Be sure to like the video if you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe if you have not. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And y'all comment down in the comment section and tell me, girl, don't be forgetting to say hello to us. Like, What you thought? That's rude. Sorry. So anyway, back to the line. I'm excited to try it. So I'm going to do, you know, a little speed through me, clean my face. Now this cleanser says that it is a hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. Now, since these products ain't cheap, I'm not going to use it as a makeup remover. I'm just going to use it for cleansing. And what I mean by that is I'm going to use my makeup wipes like I always do to remove majority of my makeup first. Then I'm going to wash it. I don't like to do, I don't like to use any kind of soap right on top of my makeup because I feel like, it turns brown. And I'm a chocolate girl and I just feel like I'm sudsing the makeup into my pores. It may be all in my head, but I can't do that. So that's the thing I'm not going to do. I'm not going to use it as a makeup remover. I'm just going to use it as a cleanser, and I'm going to, like I said, use my makeup I'm going to use my makeup remover wipes first that are from Neutrogena. So before I get to running my mouth any longer, let's jump into this video.
You are not hidden. There's never been a moment you were forgotten. You are not hopeless. You have been broken, your innocence stolen. I hear you whisper underneath your breath. I hear your rest.
Okay, you guys, so now that I have removed my majority of my makeup, I know there's probably some residue there. See, skin looking pretty good. I'm going to wash my hands real quick, because since I just used those makeup wipes, I'm pretty sure I got makeup on my hands. So I'm going to wash my hands real quick. Alright, I'm going to sit down because I'm lazy. Okay, so what I'm going to go in first with is, I'm going to open this moisturizer because I haven't opened it yet. That's it. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this Total Cleanse, and I'm gonna mark on my stool, and I'm going to wash my face, get my water warming up, and I'm gonna see how it feels. So let's do it.
Find you in the middle of the dark night. I will
It smells good, guys. It smells good.
be covered over and over. You're not defenseless. I'll be your shelter. I'll be your own.
I heard that is how you should dry your skin, never rub it. But what I can say off top, first off, this smells really good, okay, guys? If you haven't used it, it smells good, and I do feel like my face is clean, but I don't feel like it's really dry. So, but it feels thoroughly clean. Like, I love it. Super excited. That feels great. So I'm trying to decide because I'm not sure, and Brianna usually has tutorials on her website, and I should have looked at them. Apply over face with fingers. I don't know if it's like a certain way in order I should use these. Oh, it's like a gel. Okay. It feels good. It has like a cooling sensation, like toners. So that's second. And then I'm gonna let that kind of, sit in. Oh, I can sit down now because I don't have to wet my face anymore. So y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm trying to decide, use day or night. I don't know. I feel like I should use a moisturizer. Y'all, I don't know. It doesn't give an order, so I'm guessing you guessed. But, ooh, I feel like that's too much. I'm gonna just go like that with a little dot under here. Trying to be a little bit better. I'm gonna just do everything with my hands. That's why I wash them first, because I always apply my skincare with my hands, not like. Yeah, I feel like I like that second. I mean, not second, third, but before the moisturizer. Because now I feel like my skin's ready to suck up some stuff. So we're going to go with the moisturizer. I don't know. I'm going to do this because I know it's going to squirt out eventually. Yeah. I always do. Uh-oh. That seems like a lot's coming out. I usually do the 4-corner method, but I feel like I got a lot. I love the way the product smells. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with the Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. This says use every night to help skin bounce back to life by morning for external use only. I'm gonna take about that much, and I'm just going to y'all, this feels amazing. So let's pat it all in there. So I'm done with that. So let's get into my opinion about it. I think the packaging is super, super cute. And if you know anything about me, you know purple is my favorite color. So the fact that it comes in like a lavender color is super cute. I love that. You know, it's just a nice touch. I think it's cool that it's kind of like, it's not like any packaging I've ever seen. So I like that. I don't know. I guess when you're branding yourself, I think the packaging looks so sleek. Even in the tubes with everything matching, it just looks kind of bougie, but not overdone to me. I think that you need very little of these products to get them over your face and feel it. Like I have this little kind of, you know, little hue, but I like it. And I feel like it makes me feel like the product's on there. And I'm excited to see how my face and everything's gonna feel and look in the morning, because I use them all. And it says to use night or day. No tingling or no weird stuff like that happening right now. So that's good. Oh, I'm super excited. First impressions, I love it. I love the way they smell. They're light, feminine, but like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know. It feels like, I feel like I'm using something that I spent $100 on, if that makes sense. I will be doing an update on how I'm feeling about this. Seeing if my skin does anything weird with it. I think all her stuff is like, maybe vegan, I think, but I'm not sure. I was trying, when I was reading it, I thought it was like, I know it's good for the environment and stuff like that. I don't want my packaging to get dirty, but I will do an update video and let you guys know how I'm feeling if you're interested in that. So come back if you enjoyed the video, like it, honey. If you looking forward to an update, I'm Chocolate Girl, to see what my skin does, even though it's not in a terrible state. Right in here, you can see it. I know I said bye, but I'm gonna show you guys. See, I have those dark spots. So I'm trying to see, because it's supposed to be lightening. The product's supposed to even out skin tone. So that is gonna be one of the main areas I'm checking out. You know, under the eyes, of course. I mean, I'm a melanated woman, so melanin is normal. But if you're interested in updates and you wanna follow my journey with this, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like the video if you did enjoy. Thank you guys so much. We're on our way to 500, and I know I said it, but I'm gonna say it again. I cannot do without you. So thank you guys so much for being here, spending time with me. 1 moment is amazing. 1 minute is crazy, and a whole video is insane. So thank you guys so much for being here. I love you guys, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.
Your crystal and your pistol. I'd rather have a pretty piece of crystal. Don't need your silicone. I prefer my own. What God gave me is just fine.